Okay friends, it was 20 minutes. I'm going to remove just one part, just that part. I can see what I do. Okay, this part I still want to leave wrapped, and I'm going to perform self-extractions. You have these gloves, so let's go ahead and put these gloves. In your magic bag, you will find this sterile needle. It's totally your choice. If you don't want to use it, throw it away. I encourage you to use this needle. If you have any kind of congestion or capsulation on your face, I would recommend you to stretch the skin and then to do 2 pokes with a needle on a highest point. Let's say this is your skin layer, and on top you have like a capsulation. So if you will not make a little entrance for this substance to come out, you will create a scar on your skin. You just need to poke 2 times on the highest part of your congestion or capsulation. If you see the entrance of your pores that is a little darker, like a little hole, do 1 poke there and 1 poke right next to it, but always 2. You can do 3, but not 1. I have this one that I would like to open and drain. Oh, I opened it with a needle. I just barely touched it. Now, when you do, you look at yourself in a mirror. And then I have also a cotton round with a hydrogen peroxide. That's another thing that you will need. So please spray a little bit hydrogen peroxide. If you have a little bit of blood, please remove it. And then put 2 napkins on your fingers. Or you can do like 2 Q-tips. 1 Q-tip I would put from that side, and it will be kind of like my guard. And with another one, I will apply pressure and like wiggle it. Wiggle it from this side, and then I will apply them from different side. Wiggle it more. In my introduction video, I explained that when sometimes you have a capsulation in your pore, when you start to press your skin, you press it exactly in the middle and you divide this capsulation on both sides. Upper side will come out, a side that is more down will go deeper into your body, and then your body will put a lot of liquids and this liquid will push it out. So I would come back to this area in 5 minutes and I would just apply a little bit more pressure and just see if you can remove the root. Maybe root will come out in the first time, we never know, but if you touch your pore and you feel like it's something still a little bit there and some liquids coming out, just wait 5 to 7 minutes and then press it again. I know that I have a couple congestions and capsulations there, so I will take a tissue, wrap it around my finger and go from different directions, not just from one side. And now this one, it's pretty congested still inside, but it's also inflamed. If you have something like that, I would not recommend you to open it right now, because if you will open it right now, you will have a lot of blood pass and you can spread bacteria and it can get much worse before it gets better. Instead, what I would recommend you, if you feel like you don't see whitehead, you feel when you touch it, it's like painful, this pain going deep inside. So inflammation, it's still forming. So in your kit, you have this acne stop treatment. I would recommend to apply this treatment on any areas where you have inflamed or under skin or like cystic breakouts or acne. So maybe you can apply it 1 night, 2 nights, 3 nights until you feel that this come out on a surface. So now I can get my needle and I can actually like poke it in a couple times and finally drain it. We want to touch only breakouts and blackheads that are ready to be touched. Okay, so on that one, I'm going to apply product. I definitely want to clean up my nose, so I will remove this. But here I still want my wrap. Can you see this? From my nose. Again, don't rush. Enzyme still working. It will be working up to 60 minutes. This is dust with underskin oil, with makeup that sometimes is not dissolving. So go ahead and remove it as much as possible. So now I'm done with my extractions. This guy I'm going to treat differently. I just need to take a new cottons and put some hydrogen peroxide on it. Make sure that you wipe your face really good. See, it's still like, it's not perfect because this enzyme will remove so much dirt from underneath your skin. All right, so can you see my skin? You see how much redness I have? Every bit where I extracted has little red marks. It's absolutely normal. If you did a pumpkin peel and your skin is okay, maybe you have like a little bit red here, but the rest is okay, then go ahead and apply this peel. We want this product penetrate really deep, and it will stimulate your new cells to grow, and you're going to create a new layers. And once you create new layers of the skin there deep inside, your upper layers become dry and they will micropeel. And that's how you exchange your old skin to your new skin. Okay, so that's a natural process of exchanging the skin.